Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth problem in Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. My Bluetooth is not working on my device. Now to resolve this, I'll go to Start and over here I'll search for Troubleshoot. And on the top you can find this Troubleshoot settings. Click on this. And over here you'll find this interface of Troubleshoot. Scroll down and you can see Find and Fix Other Problems. Over here search for Bluetooth. Now in my case here is Bluetooth. I'll click on this and you can see here is Run the Troubleshooter. Click on this. My system is detecting the problems over here. Now also after detecting, it's resolving the problem. You can see here is the solution of my Bluetooth problem. You must restart your computer. That means if I restart my computer, my Bluetooth problem will be resolved. And you can see here is the problem found and the solution was given that if I restart my computer, this will be solved. So in this way, we can fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.